we're back at Farm Day and we're meeting Big John. This is Big John. I've been told. So
you get over there with Big John.
Oh. So
there's sometimes
here
called
she
gentle
is.
giants because they're so sweet. Are they? The train.
Big John doesn't like me.
Big John's gonna show you his hindquarters.
John.
He's just making sure his girlfriend's still there. She left him once today.
I got a little bit of you and Big John.
Alright, so Big John decided that he was checking on his girlfriend over there. Oh
yeah, Rosie's out too.
Is Rosie, that's her name? So his girlfriend's name's Rosie. Let's go check out Rosie, guys. Yeah, my mom drugged me to this, guys. So there's Big John a little bit more, you guys. Aww. Alright, let's check out let's check out Rosie. This is, oh yeah, guys, look, I even have on cowboy boots. I totally dressed for the part, y'all.
There's Rosie.
Look, guys, it's Rosie.
John is Karen's.
So I was told that she has blue. She's blue in her mane for autism awareness today, and then she also has the puzzle piece on her hindquarters right here, and you can see it. You see it right there. That is for autism awareness. So say hi, Rosie. Say hello. So that's why her mane is blue. Yeah, so that's really cool. Oh wow, we have, oh my, we have bloodhounds. Okay, that's not scary at all.
She's 10 months.
10 months old, look at you.
Oh my goodness, so we have 10-month trainees. Trainees in action. What about this one? Who do we have?
This is JD, he's 2.
I'm assuming 2 years.
Yes.
Not 2 months. All right, we have 2 year. Is he still training or has he been trained?
Yeah, he's still in training.
Another trainee, very cool. What about over here? Who do we have?
Maya.
I'm sorry? Maya? Oh. She's retired. So we have the trainees
real excited.
and the retiree. I like Maya's way of life. This looks good. She's done her work. And she's just like, y'all can do the rest. I like it. Go Maya.
Oh, she's a Belgian Malinois.
She's a what?
A Belgian Malinois?
I'm sorry, a Malinois?
Malinois.
A Malinois. She's a Belgian Malinois, you guys.
She'll get about
I didn't know that
50
was
to
a
60
thing.
pounds.
She'll get to be
She won't get too much taller. She might get a little longer, but they're like German Shepherds. They just stay small in frame and small in weight.
That's cool. We have a friend who's blind, and his guide dog is a German Shepherd. Yeah, that's stuff on your tail.
Yeah, her tail's the same color as the ground. I've got a lot.
Sweet though. Hello.
Yeah, look at her tail. It's the same color as the ground.
Voodoo.
Voodoo. Hello, Voodoo. Hi, Voodoo. Oh, I got a kiss from Voodoo. Is that like good luck? I think it should be.
Precious.
I think it should be to get a kiss from Voodoo.
She's going to be a recovery dog. She's looking for a human being. So.
Oh, she's a human. Well, she found me. She was a good one. She's going to be a search dog, rescue dog. Or no, what did you call her?
She's going to be a recovery dog.
Recovery dog. So she's going to look for human remains, you guys. She found me. That's a good start. That's a good start, Voodoo. She seems so sweet. She's going to offer such good service. Thank you for your service, Voodoo. And thank you too. I almost gave you doggy talk. I'm sorry. I was like, thank you for your service.
And what?
Cool. What is this one training for? Yes.
He's a man trailing dog. So you give him a scent article and he will follow the trail.
Oh, this one can follow the scent.
Makes sense.
So if your ex is being, sketchy, you give this one the scent.
Is it Copper? Disney movie?
They're all so precious. I bet you guys really bond with your dogs.
I mean, we're a volunteer organization, so they're our personal dogs.
Oh, really? I didn't realize that. That's cool.
gonna get a cuddle. I'm just gonna go get a little cuddle.
I'm learning all kinds of things about these dogs.
You see about people? Look at this handsome set of ears, I'm telling ya.
What was this one's name?
JD.
JD. So we heard JD, hello JD, is training to be, she'll be a scent dog. So she can, a man
trailer.
A man trailer. So if your ex is being sketchy, you give this one the scent and she can find out where he's been.
Yes, I see, they're so handsome.
This is precious. I didn't know that they were your own dog. That's cool.
Yes, it's amazing what you can do. I can't sniff things out. Well, unless it's dinner, I can find that. Yes, I can find.
I really like the retiree over here. She's just precious. How do you choose what they're going to specialize in? Are there tests they go through, like to see what aptitude they're?
Bloodhounds and the hounds usually do the trailing. Generally, there are other breeds that will do it as well, but just the way their face is built with the long ears and the long nose, the ears work to sweep the scent up to their nose. Actually, so they're bred to do trailing.
Cool. Hello. I never thought of that with their ears. That's really neat. That's really neat, my friend. Yes, it is. It was great to meet you guys. Thanks for your service and for yours too. For yours too. Thank you for your nose. Thanks for your nose.
You can show them what you're filming from.
Oh, cool. Yeah. So let's see. Let me get that in focus. It's the Hemsey Search Dog Unit. And we have a sticker, Junior Deputy Alabama, Great Seal.
That's for you.
Oh!
Oh, they are wonderful. There's pictures over there too. That's great. I saw you.
I'm gonna wear this, you guys. I'm not sure if I can do it one-handed. Yep, I just poked myself. That hurt really badly. There we go. Aww.
Did you get pictures of this sweet baby?
Well, I'm periscoping her.
It's just like our dog. She's so pretty.
She really is. So guys, again, she is blue for autism awareness. How precious is that?
Beautiful horsey.
She looks kind of like a shepherd, except not good. It's a little train. Hey, Rosie.
Is John your boyfriend?
Okay, you guys, look. Here I am with Rosie. Look, it's me and Rosie. Hey, Rosie.
Hi, what you got in the bag for me?
Hi, Rosie. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go unless something. Oh.
Nosy Rosie.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie.
There might be apples and goodness in there. It's a very nosy Rosie.
Hi. Oh, sweet baby.
If I leave my car window open, she'll go through everything in there.
Really?
Oh my goodness, you guys, she's so precious. She is so sweet.
Oh, her nose is so silky soft. You feel like some of the rabbits over there. Yeah, you do. Thank you for letting me. I love how you have your opinion too for autism. That's awesome.
It's her caretaker. She's so sweet too. Bye, Rosie. Bye-bye, Nosy Rosie.
This is Rosie. You want to
Rosie? Oh my my goodness, you guys. Who knew that there was so much at Farm Day? Here's some kids playing with rubber duckies. Here's something else. I feel like a child. Oh, something. They're saying something. It's a little creepy. I don't know what that is. There's something else. Thanks for all the hearts, guys. I feel like this is a play area. Oh, there's another dog.
The dog's giving 3 baths. He was giving the little boy a bath all over his face.
Oh my goodness.
You want to take a picture of me? I'm not photogenic. Always look goofy.
That's just the way it looks like you're growing stuff.
You guys, there's a farmer's market ad.
There's my daughter somewhere.
That's what they're growing.
In my garden today.
With some flowers behind you.
Actually, green different.
Brownie.
Look at this. Growing it. She got dirt.
Oh, is that hydroponic?
I guess so.
Looks like you've got they've got a hydroponic set up. Look at us in Alabama being all.
Oh, look, it's like little baby seed things sprouting up in there. I don't think it is hydroponic.
Oh, maybe not. We're not far away.
Planting into there.
Oh, rainwater collection and irrigation demonstration. That's what it is. It's rainwater collection and irrigation demonstration. Yeah. Very, very cool. That's the company, you guys. Oh no. Y'all, the tractor is open. Let's go check it out.